With increasing demand for high-precision machining, advanced manufacturing, and productivity-driven tooling solutions, competition in carbide cutting tool market continues to intensify. Here is how the leading companies are positioned. Sandvik leads the market with 12% share, followed closely by IMC at 11%. Kyocera holds 8%, while Kennametal accounts for 6%, and Sumitomo captures 5% of the global market. Together, these 5 companies represent 42% of the global carbide cutting tool market, while the remaining 58% is shared by several regional manufacturers, specialty cutting tool producers, precision tooling companies, and industrial tooling suppliers, serving the automotive, aerospace, medical energy, electronics, and general engineering industries. Markets move fast. Your decision needs to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.